In the Biomimetic Innovation Lab, researchers study the underground networks of fungi to design self-repairing building materials. When rain and stress crack concrete, mycelium fibers can fill gaps, guiding the development of living composites that heal themselves. By combining fungal mycelium with lime, scientists create bricks that reseal fractures, reducing maintenance, waste, and the urban heat island effect. This collaboration of biology and engineering promises greener construction, lower emissions, and longer-lasting cities. The episode connects a forest floor miracle to cutting-edge research, showing nature's wisdom shaping safer, smarter society.